Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of DM EduBest. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic, and that is why we should learn different things in our daily life. Or we can say that why it is important to educate ourselves in our daily life. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So actually learning is a process which never ends till our death. We have to learn something new every day. Every day, when we woke up, we have to look forward to learn something new about which we didn't know last day, at least yesterday. Because this world is growing fast and moving forward. So, in order to maintain a balance with the fast growing world, we have to learn different things in our daily life. If we don't look forward to learn something new in our life, it would be a little bit difficult to move on. So what we can do to learn different things in our daily life? Actually, one thing we have to keep in our mind is that learning is very important. Educating ourselves is very important in our daily life. So actually learning is a process. It doesn't mean that we can learn different things only by reading different books. Actually, we can learn different things by reading books, and along with that, we can learn from different experiences in our life. Experiences means whether it is failure or achievements. So, in order to achieve in our life, we have to learn different things. Learning is mandatory. So, if we learn different things in our life, we will achieve in our life, because knowledge is such a wealth with which we can achieve different things in our life. It will never exhaust. Everybody wants to become a successful person in their life, right? And nobody wants to become a failure in their life. So what is success? What is the meaning of success? Do you think that every time success means the materialistic wealth or luxurious life? Actually, it doesn't mean that. Successful means that capacity, mental power, and influence or control over the surroundings. So we can learn, or we can be such a person only through learning different things. Learning is such a weapon through which, using that we can learn or achieve different things. It will never exhaust. In India, people say that Vidya Dhanam Sarvatanal Pradhanam. Here, Vidya means knowledge, and Pradhanam means important. Sarvadanal Pradhanam means important than any other materialistic wealth. If we have enough knowledge, or if we have knowledge, then we can achieve anything. We can achieve any other materialistic wealth. So knowledge is very important, and anyhow we have to learn that. We have to achieve knowledge. And how we can achieve knowledge, how we can learn different things. In this present world, in this fast-growing world, it is very easy to reach different things. It is very easy to learn different things through social media. So social media provides different things and knowledge about different things. So it is easily we can achieve at our fingertip. So we have to take the advantage, we have to take the assistance of social media in order to grasp or to learn different things. But most of the people, they are using social media just for time pass. They are considering social media just as entertainment tool. But actually, social media is very helpful to learn different things. So we can use them to learn different things. So it is very important. And one more thing I would like to say here is that our brain is very important. We have to take care of our brain very carefully, because our nervous system is very important thing, and what we do in our daily life, what we learn in our daily life, it has a very much influence on our life. So, if we are using social media just for time pass and just we are watching the frivolous things on social media, then it will fill our brain. I would say it is a fact. It is 100% sure. And for that, if you want to polish your brain, your nervous system, then you can learn different things from social media, and you have to replace this thing with I mean, you have to learn different things. You have to replace your frivolous, unwanted seeing habits just by learning habits. So, if you do so, then we will become a successful person, because learning is such a process, it is such a tool with which we can grasp more things, we can achieve more things, so on. It is always a good thing. Learning process is actually a good thing. So it is a very good habit if we learn, if we are looking forward to learn something new every day. And if somebody comes to us and asks something about something, and if we are not able to give the answer, then it's such a bitter feeling. I would say it's not such a feeling with which we will be happy. So, so every day we have to learn something new. Learning is very important. No matter what is the age, what is the surroundings, what is the condition, whatever it is. Learning is very important for everyone, not just for kids, for every place, for everybody. Learning is a good process. Every day we would get something new to learn. So we have to take advantage of that opportunity. We can learn something new from our failure. We can learn something new from our achievements, or what are the things that I mean things whatever are surrounded us. So we can learn everything. And if you are able to give answer what the opposite person asks for, then you are really admirable. And a person who is abundant with knowledge, that person will never feel empty, because that person is already filled with such a tool or such a weapon with which we can achieve everything, rest of the any other things. So always look forward to look something, always look forward to learn something new, so that we can grow in our life and we can become a successful person. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for such good